When it comes to organizational change management, there tends to be a feeling that we're just there for emergencies or short-term resolutions during ERP transformations. One of the things I think that is missed overall is that organizational change management is truly the foundation or building block of your IT transformations. We're coming in early and we're helping to identify the different stakeholders involved and building you a communication plan that's going to ensure long-term commitment to success with your project. We tend to see that people ask us specifically just for training, but I look at it like building a home. Your system is going to support the future of your business, much like your home is going to support the future of your family. In the case of organizational change management, we are the pieces you're not going to see necessarily from the front. We're not the paint colors, we're not the style of the outside of your home, but what we are is that foundation inside, behind the scenes, that's making sure you're structurally sound. You want to know that when you're building, your home's going to be there for you much longer than you maybe even. And so we do the same types of things with projects. We come in and we make sure that you have the right people in the right place the first time, so that as you begin designing your system, understanding the changes that may be happening within your organization to make that system function properly, that you are getting the people that you need. You're getting the resources that you need to support that training, in addition to the why. Your team is really going to be invested in the future of that IT transformation if they understand the benefits. And that's part of what OCM really can do, is that role ownership and deciding that this project is going to help me in the future. And therefore, both your teams and the business overall win at the end of the day. We have a toolkit here at 10th Pin that we can dip into for an organizational change management plan. And what we like to do is come in early, right with the project manager, so that we can start to see from the very beginning what your business needs truly are. A lot of times what we find is when we dig a little deeper, there's a bigger need than maybe initially anticipated. Again, the example is training. We don't just come in with a training plan, share what's happening, and leave. What we truly do is provide oversight from the very beginning until hypercare at the very end of your project, and make sure you have complete buy-in from the team. The communications are transparent. We're doing engagement activities to make sure that we're keeping everybody at a high pace throughout the entire project, ready to learn, ready to win together. And to me, that's the value of organizational change management. It's the hidden pieces, it's the hidden tools and skill sets that we are bringing that you may be overlooking. On a project, you would always have a functional leader to help you with the design and build. Just the same, you should have an organizational change management professional that's engaging your teams, communicating with your teams, training your teams, and all of the things that are important to ensuring long-term success. Building out your home, building out your IT choice, all of those things need to have sustainability in order to be effective. And that's what OCM is bringing to you. By bringing us in at the very beginning of your project, you are getting the best possible stability foundation of your IT transformation.